video of coding with Dean. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the extensions in Scratch. So this is going to be a continued version of the video I made about 1 month ago, but this time I'm going to give you guys a thorough tutorial on one of the extensions, and in another video I'm going to do the other extensions. So we're going to start. And by the way, I am not gonna do the ones like Microbit and the Lego ones because I don't have those. But I am gonna do the rest. And let's start with pen. So this is the option. And then we could do set pen color to green. And go to when flag clicked, set pen color green, and go back to the menu for pen and set size to 5 maybe, and then press stamp, and let's see what it does. Okay, so it hadn't drawn yet, and we have to find a way to make this draw. So, oh, and now we have double sprites. So just have to click this, and then this should make a dupe, yeah. So when you click the when flag green block, it makes a duplicate of your sprite and stamps it. So now I could just keep clicking this, and I would have sprites that keep stamping. We're also gonna press erase all after this, and they all get erased except our original one because that's just there and it could never be erased. And yeah, that's how you use the pen option. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to have all notifications on when I'm gonna be making the next video describing one of the other extensions in a few days. Peace.